Hi, my name is Szymon, and this is what I built my autonomous pod. I absolutely love it. It fits right into this backyard. I absolutely love it. It was one of the best buys ever. It's just a perfect setup for us. We did so much research around, and the whole experience with buying it was so easy. And between Michelle and Stu, they were outstanding. The customer service and how they build it. It's sturdy, clean, quiet. I couldn't be more happy. This just clicked. The look of it, the quality of it, the materials, the way it's done. And then we reached out to Autonomous and they were right on it, really helpful, really friendly. The idea of building it on your own, it's always a hassle because you need a contractor, you need the electrician, you need the foundation, all of that stuff. Time consuming. We really wanted to have it done quickly and professionally. And this is really good stuff. I am so happy with this. The autonomous pod is really quiet. The noise cancellation is really amazing. You feel the stillness there. It's really nice. So regardless of the external circumstances, whatever's going on outside, the moment I close the door, it's a completely different story. It's really quiet, really peaceful. You feel it. I highly recommend the StudioPod. Actually, two of my friends are in the process of getting it. So it's not like I'm selling it to people. It's like if you got the room, if you got the resources, get it because you're going to benefit from it. The whole process of building the pod was really seamless, easy. It took literally 48 hours. From the delivery, the next day, the boys came, put it together, and we were ready to move in within 72 hours. So we really enjoy it. I'm very happy with the autonomous pod. I think it was one of the best purchases I've ever done.